Well, guys, so yeah, this is the same night as you guys saw that heads up video. Well, it's snowing, but it ain't really doing what I thought it was doing. Of course, it's gonna get worse, mind you. It'll get worse yet. It's probably already a good half an inch on the ground, and it's about 9 o'clock at night. So yeah, and it is cold out too. But this is just a quick one to let you know. I don't know how you guys can see it on the camera, but as of right now, she's not too bad. I imagine if it did this all night, there'd probably be a good inch on the ground or so. But yeah, it's definitely snowing. So don't know exactly how much we're gonna get yet. They still have us in for the winter storm warning. I know that down south in the cities, they have already put themselves in a state of emergency. So I imagine things are probably a little bit worse down there. I don't know if you guys are even seeing me or not, but yeah. So still some grass and stuff showing. But that's about all it's doing right now. There is like I said, there is a slight breeze. It feels like it's more out of the west, or the east, I mean. So, but it's not too bad right now. I don't know what it is like down in the cities, but I don't know. We'll see what happens yet, though. But I'll be keeping myself busy while I'm waiting for this stuff to show up. I did pick up I forgot to tell you guys this too, but I did pick up a new video game. It's for the PC. It's the new Farming Simulator 19. Surprisingly, that game actually is pretty cheap for being new. So just because it just came out not too long ago, and I'm surprised how cheap it is. It was like what, 35 bucks, something like that. So yeah, I can work with that. So unfortunately, they put an update out for it, so I updated the game, and I think they've changed some stuff that I'm not happy with, and I also put some mods in, just kind of what they already had. There is going to be some other mods that I'll probably do later on, but right now I'm just getting kind of familiar with the game a little bit, and haven't really grown. Actually, I haven't grown at all. I only got 4 fields, and they're decently small, so but yeah, so I had to do some stuff on that, which was fine and whatnot, and kind of frustrating at the same time too, because I had to take out a bank loan because I kind of thought my game was fucked up. So I thought, well, because there's a bar on there to show how kind of like how worn out your equipment's getting, and if it's empty, well, then your equipment needs to be repaired. Well, since the update, they put it the opposite way now, and I didn't know that. So I guess yeah, I guess it goes down now instead of going up. So they changed that on me. I didn't know it at the time. I thought maybe it was just because my game was glitched, or maybe that my old combine, because the combine was the worst. It's acting kind of slow and whatnot, but it's just whatever. But they had one nice one for a mod think it was a Case International 1660, I think it was. Could be wrong on that, but I think that's about right. So I upgraded to that, which is fine too. It's looking funner that way too. I'm trying to get over to a mostly American equipment, but whew, that stuff's really expensive. So gotta make do with what you got, and then I gotta pay back the bank too. I owe them like another $45,000. So, but I'll get to pay it off here soon enough. So, but yeah, anyways, just a quick snow update. She's snowing and a little cold and whatnot, but that's your update for tonight. I forget what the date is, but it'll be in the video anyway. But it is about 9 o'clock at night, and that's how much snow we've gotten so far. Quarter of an inch, I don't know. A little bit more on the, can't really say there's more on the driveway because I can scrape down to the concrete. I should actually be shoveling the driveway, but whatever. Alright guys, so there's your update for tonight. So I will either try to do one later tonight, depending if it picks up or not. I hear a jet. Or there'll be one in the morning then, to see how much snow we got, because it looks like the worst of it's going to be during the night. So, but whatever. Alright, I'll see you guys next. Well, we got a lot of snow. How's it going today, guys? It's windy as hell out too, and it's about -13 out, so I'm definitely going to have to wear the overalls and the ski mask. But we didn't get what they, well, we kind of got what they were, well, not really. They haven't even plowed the roads yet or nothing. So I imagine they're pretty packed up. But there's a lot. There's good 5 inches here, maybe. It's not too bad. The good thing is that it's pretty soft, and it's about 1 o'clock in the afternoon. I was kind of waiting for the wind to die down, but I don't think it's going to calm down anytime soon. Man, there's a lot. I knew the worst of it was going to come during the night, so now was the time to move it. So there you go. That's how much snow we've gotten. It's going to be slow going too. I'm going to have to just videotape a little bit at a time, because I got to spend more time moving than I have to play with the camera. So set up the camera for in the garage and be done with it. Alright guys, so maybe you can see the sun dogs. Well, if you see the sun dogs, you know why the hell they're out. Looks like somebody's burning. Yeah, I got a little more plowing to do. The road plows are out this morning. It's the day the snowstorm expired. I think early this morning, but there's a wind chill advisory out now, and that's supposed to expire, I think, pretty quick here. But since we've had the wind, you can well imagine what the wind has done. Oh yeah, well, that's why. We got drifting going on. I'm going to have to knock the drifts back out. And then looks like I got another drift here. I was at the farm last night, and oh my god, that's holy shit, that's deep. Oh, that's freaking hard too. That's great. So I'm gonna have to plow again. The snowstorm is done, but there was the wind that picked up. Like, I got even worse during the night. You can see where it's drifting there. I'm gonna have to push this drift out. But when I feel like getting out, I don't know, because that fucking wind is cold. So they said it's supposed to. There's another drift. They said the wind is supposed to die down. Start dying down at noon. That's deep. And I got that drift I gotta knock out. Luckily it's just drifts this time. I don't have to actually plow anything. There's a drift there I gotta knock out. But look at how much snow. You can see how much snow we've had. It's just yeah. We definitely did not need the wind, but they were calling for the wind anyway. For whiteout conditions. I don't think we got quite whiteout conditions, but I can hear my uncle snow blowing. The wind's pushing his snowblower sound towards my house. So anyways, guys, this is going to be the end of the video. Because there's nothing really going on after this now. All I have to do now is clean up these drifts, which is nothing for Big Red. But getting out and doing it is what's going to be a pain in the ass. The edge of the driveway needs to be cleaned. That'll take like 10 seconds. I forgot to look at them. I guess that's not too bad. But yeah. So I guess this is going to be officially the end of the video. I just wanted to bring you guys. They always, you know, that's kind of the thing. When they threaten me with snow, I guess me threatening them with the video, threatening the snow with the video, that I'm going to videotape it, I think that scares the snow, and I think it kind of veered off a little bit. I don't think we got directly hit with the worst of it. We got enough, but we didn't even need this. Luckily the drifts, all I have to clean up are the drifts. I probably could almost leave this drift if I wanted to, but I think I'm just going to shove it over there. And then the one going to the shop definitely has to get cleaned out. And by the septic tank, that's got to get cleaned out too. And then the driveway. So, but there you go, guys. That's what's going on. That's how much snow we've had. The road plow guys are already out. I think they're still out right now. but they've already done the shop road and whatnot. So, but yeah, there you go, guys. That's pretty much what's going on. I just got a little drift cleanup to do, and then I'm done. I guess that's it. On to the next snowstorm. So hopefully you guys saw how much snow we've gotten. For, you know, of course, the drifts too. The drifts are actually the old snow, you know, that snow that fell from the sky. That wasn't snow. That wasn't snow that fell last night. Nothing fell last night. It was mostly wind that was picking all the shit up and moving it. So yeah, and then of course the sun dogs. As you can see that, which means when their sun dogs are out like that, and these fuckers are big. I can't really look up because the sun's bright, but when they're big like that, it means it's fucking cold. I checked this morning about an hour ago, and on my phone it said with the wind chill, it's minus 28. It's supposed to warm up slightly, but very little. If the wind would calm down, then it would warm up, but other than that, it's not going to happen. So anyways, guys, I'm going to go put on my winter gear, and I'm going to start plowing. And then I guess that's it. Knock the drifts out, and then that's it. We're officially done then until the next snowstorm. So yeah, so anyways, guys, I guess I'm gonna take off. So I guess I have a good day and stuff. So yeah, thanks for watching, guys. Take her easy.